Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day today. Today I have Tomica number 21 Honda Step WGN or Step Wagon. The color is white with its own uniqueness. It is a yellowish sliding door. I have no idea why it has to be made like this. Of course, there must be a certain reason, but unfortunately I have no idea for sure why it should be like that. And there are headlights that have not been facelifted. This Honda Step WGN was released on April 15, 2006 and discontinued in July 2010. For me, it is quite difficult to find in offline and even online store because it has been discontinued and makes it rare and hard to find. I bought this at a low price because it's not new, this is secondhand. Well, doesn't matter anyway. The most important thing is that it's still worthy of being stored or collected. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for always watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and add your comment below. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.